Found something on Amazon you want to save for later? Instead of searching for it again, you can add it to your wish list in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon website and make sure you're signed into your account. Go to the search bar at the top of the page and type in the product you want to save. Press enter, then choose the product from the search results to open its product page. Once the product page is open, look on the right side of the screen where you'll find the purchasing options. Depending on the product and Amazon's current layout, look for the Add to List option. Click Add to List. If you have multiple lists, a menu may appear showing your available lists. Select your wish list or the specific list where you want to save the item. After selecting your list, Amazon should confirm that the item has been added. You can continue browsing and repeat the same steps for any other products you want to save. To find your saved items later, move your cursor to Account and Lists at the top right corner of the page. Under your lists, select the list where you saved the product. And that's it. You now know how to add an item to your Amazon wish list in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon guides. Thanks for watching.